Light doesn't cool things down. It makes it hotter. It's happening right now. The reason that you can see me standing here is because this room is filled with more than 100 quintillion photons, and they're moving randomly through the space, near the speed of light. All of them are different colors. They're rippling with different frequencies. And they're bouncing off every surface, including me, and some of those are flying directly into your eyes. And that's why your brain is forming an image of me standing here. Now, a laser is different. It also uses photons, but they're all synchronized. And if you focus them into a beam, what you have is an incredibly useful tool. The control of a laser is so precise that you can perform surgery inside of an eye. You can use it to store massive amounts of data, and you can use it for this beautiful experiment that my friend was struggling to explain. And this is the great pleasure of science, the defeat of our intuition through experimentation. But the experiment is not the end of the story, because you still have to transmit that knowledge to other people. I have a PhD in molecular biology. I still barely understand what most scientists are talking about. So as my friend was trying to explain that experiment, it seemed like the more he said, the less I understood. Because if you're trying to give someone the big picture of a complex idea, to really capture its essence, the fewer words you use, the better. In fact, the ideal may be to use no words at all. I remember thinking my friend could have explained that entire experiment with a dance. Of course, there never seem to be any dancers around when you need them. Now, the idea is not as crazy as it sounds. I started a contest 4 years ago called Dance Your PhD. Instead of explaining their research with words, scientists have to explain it with dance.